Hello all. Here is a set of current affair questions for you. Remember, current affair is something which is extremely important when it comes to different types of tests, entrance exams which you are giving. So one should always be up to date with the current affairs, things which are happening. Alright. So this is just a small effort in that context. It's a set of questions picked up randomly based on current affairs. So let's start. Here is the first one. What is the name of the mission which is to be launched jointly by NASA and ISRO in 2023? What is your answer? The correct answer is NISAR. NISAR, NISAR. It's called NASA ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar. Now this is a project which aims at studying the upper atmosphere. Alright, and it's a very important project. Remember, you can get the details on the internet. Alright, go through it. It's really interesting, friends. Next question. What is the name of the 15-day joint military exercise which is conducted jointly by Indian and Russian army, which will be conducted at Volgograd, Russia? What is the name of that exercise? Your answer? Correct answer is Indra 21. Actually, this Indra exercise, this keeps on happening almost every year. There were some exceptions due to COVID and all this. Otherwise, this is a regular exercise which is conducted jointly by Indian and Russian military. Next question. What is the name of the scheme recently launched by CBSE? CBSE has launched this scheme along with Ministry of Education in collaboration with tech giants Intel. Each one of us know about Intel, isn't it? Almost all of us. Big company, giant. What is the name of the scheme? It's called AI for All. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. AI for All. Got it? Next one. What is the name of the digital ecosystem of agriculture that is created by the Ministry of Agriculture? Digital ecosystem, mind it. It will have all the records, farming records, farmers' particulars, kind of crop they do. So this gives an idea to the government regarding how to help the farmers based on what they do, what kind of a climate in which they farm, they are doing their agriculture. Alright, all this information. What is the name of the system? It's called AgriStack. Got it? It's called AgriStack. Next one. Which is the first green SEZ? SEZ stands for what? Special Economic Zone. Which one is the first green SEZ of India? Answer? Kandla, Gujarat. It's a huge project. Go through the details, friends, on the internet. It's a huge project. In fact, it's a major boost to the Indian economy. It is going to be a major boost to the Indian economy in coming days. Okay, it's a green SEZ, and why we call it green? Because environment friendly. Very simple. Alright. Next question. Which is the more common name for the place Sohra in Meghalaya, where Union Home Minister Amit Shah launched the Green Sohra afforestation campaign? Okay. What is the more common name for that place? Sohra is a place in Meghalaya. What is the more common name? I'm sure most of you know the name. The answer is Serapunji. Remember, friends, Serapunji, it used to receive the highest rainfall in India, in recent past. Nowadays the record is shifted, but Serapunji is a name which almost all of us are familiar with, isn't it? Question number 7. Next question. Who became only the third Indian, remember, to win a tennis singles match at Olympic? What is your answer? It's Sumit Nagal, who did it recently in the Tokyo Olympics. He won a tennis singles match and he is only the third Indian. The other two, who are the other two? Guess it. The first one was Jisan Ali and the second one was Leander Paes. Next one. What is the name of the mission launched by NASA, which is Earth's first mission to conduct detailed investigation of Jupiter's moon Europa? Jupiter's moon, one of Jupiter's moon, it is called Europa. It holds a lot of promises in space research. Most of the space organizations, they are interested in this Europa. Alright, this is a mission launched by NASA. It's first of its kind, remember. Okay, detailed investigation of Jupiter's moon Europa. Answer, it's called the Europa Clipper mission. Got it? Next one. What is the name of the telescope jointly being built by NASA and the Canadian Space Agency? It is called SuperBit. And friends, remember Hubble telescope, there are talks that it will replace the Hubble telescope, which is aging, which has become very old. So SuperBit, I have given you the full form over there. Super pressure balloon borne imaging telescope. Super pressure balloon borne imaging telescope. This is going to replace the Hubble telescope. Got it? It's a very, ambitious project. Alright, jointly launched by NASA and the Canadian Space Agency. Next one. What is the name of the system recently developed by the Indian Institute of Technology, Ropar, IIT Ropar, that aims at saving oxygen we give it to patients? Oxygen. There is a lot of fuss about this non-availability of oxygen, shortage of oxygen, all these things. Alright. IIT Ropar, they have developed this system which will save oxygen. Alright, this system is called AMLEX. AMLEX, that is how it spells, oxygen rationing device. Okay, it will save oxygen. It has sensors which will automatically detect if the patient is receiving oxygen or not. If he is not receiving oxygen at a particular point of time, then the supply automatically stops so that there will not be any wastage. So that is how it monitors this entire process. Alright. So here are 10 questions, friends. These 10 questions are just a beginning to current affairs. Current affairs, of course, we all know it's a vast area. So next time we again pick up some questions randomly and discuss. Till that time, bye bye friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel where you will be getting GK, current affair, trivia, all sorts of questions, friends. Alright, I'll try my best to pick up questions which are more common questions across interviews, across different written tests. Alright, so I keep on doing that. Till that time, bye bye.